Welcome back! In this tutorial, we're diving into advanced design techniques using Pixlr Editor, perfect for creators who want more control, precision, and polish in their work. You'll learn how to apply advanced filters for a stylized, professional finish, use free transform and distort tools to build dynamic layouts, create smooth cinematic transitions with gradient mask, and maintain color harmony using the color picker tool. Whether you're designing for web, print, or social media, these techniques will help you work smarter and create visuals that truly stand out. First up, advanced filters. Click the Filter tab in the top menu to access a wide range of effects. Add mood and depth with glamour, glow, vignette, or dehaze. Want something more playful? Try fish eye for a curved, playful look, or glitch for digital distortion. For symmetry and visual intrigue, explore polar coordinates or kaleidoscope. Add texture with pixelate, mosaic, or halftone. And enhance depth using inner glow, shadow, or bevel. Each filter is fully customizable with intuitive sliders, so you can fine-tune the effect in real time. Apply filters to entire layers or isolate them with selections and masks. You can even stack multiple filters and adjust their intensity for a truly tailored result. Next, let's explore the transform tools, your go-to for reshaping and repositioning elements. Select an image layer, then head to Edit in the top menu. Choose from Free Transform, Free Distort, or transform to scale, rotate, skew, or flip your object. These tools let you simulate depth, apply perspective, and even mimic 3D effects, perfect for creating realistic mock-ups or dynamic compositions. Whether you're adjusting a product shot or building a layered layout, the transform tools give you the flexibility to make it feel intentional and polished. Now for one of Pixlr Editor's fun features, Gradient Mask. Select Cutout Mask from the left-hand panel, then choose the Gradient Mask tool. Drag across the area you want to fade, and voila, a smooth, professional transition. Toggle between linear and radial gradients to control the direction and softness of the blend. Use Gradient Mask to seamlessly blend layers, create subtle lighting effects, and fade elements into the background. It's a simple technique that adds cinematic polish to any design. Finally, let's talk color harmony. The color picker tool lets you sample hues directly from your canvas and apply them to text, shapes, overlays, and more. Once selected, Pixlr automatically generates complementary palettes, showing you shades, triadic, tetradic, analogous, and complementary options. This makes it easy to build cohesive, brand-consistent visuals, especially useful for UI design, marketing assets, or themed campaigns. And that's a wrap on our tour of advanced design techniques in Pixlr Editor. Take time to experiment with these tools. They'll help you create polished, professional visuals with creative flair. See you in the next tutorial as we'll dive into the essentials of managing layers, using smart resize, and exporting your designs with the perfect settings.